Hey, Robert Farrell here. Hey, before you consider skipping my ad, consider the opportunity of your own turnkey recipe website. Now, you don't have to create recipes. I have a complete turnkey system that you can basically build your own recipes. This is my student, Becky. She created this website less than 2 weeks ago and has already made more than $700. So I have a complete roadmap. Simply click the banner ad here, go to my website, and two things are going to happen. You'll get access to free videos to share with you a step-by-step procedure, how you can make 6 figures within the next 12 to 15 months. More importantly, you'll have the opportunity to share. If you share me on social media or email or anything else, you'll get your own free website for $2.99, absolutely free. The only thing you pay is a $5 registration fee, free for the next 2 years. This website will make you money, but nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So simply click the banner ad, go to my website, get a free how-to roadmap, how to make 6 figures in the next 12 to 15 months, free training program, and the opportunity to share my websites on social media. Now, here's another thing. If you share one of my links and somebody buys, you'll earn a minimum of 20% of $2.99. Now, that's a pretty darn good deal. I have students that make $80 a day on their recipe website. I have students that make more than $450 a day. I will share with you how to do this one step at a time, but I can assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So there's no cost involved here. Simply click the banner ad, go check out my free videos, and if you share me on social media, X amount of people, you will get a free turnkey website, $299 value. Now again, there is a $5 registration fee to do this. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. Stay home, stay safe, and stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020.